Hi everyone, my name is Erica Chica Lumot. Today, let's talk about kung ano ang natutunan ko sa Module 1 Market Research. You probably heard that term before, but what does it really mean? In simple words, market research is just listening and learning. It helps business find out what people want, kung ano yung kailangan nila, kung ano yung in-expect nila. Without research, companies are only guessing with it. They make smarter choices and make customers happy. May simple understanding of market research. Market research is all about knowing what people want, businesses do, so they don't just guess Instead, they ask questions, collect information, and study people likes or yung mga hindi nila gusto. This way, they can make better products and better decisions. Market research is different from marketing research. Marketing research is bigger because it talks about everything in marketing like ads and promotions. Market research is smaller because it only focuses on one market or product. I think of it like our family. Marketing research is the whole family, while market research is me, the bunso. Smaller but still important. Companies use market research in many ways. One example is the product life cycle. A product is like a person. When it is new, it's like a child. When it's popular, it's like a teenager at their peak. And when people stop buying it, it's like getting old. Business use research to know what stage their product is in. Apat na purpose po ang marketing. First, product. Ito po yung mga product o service na inaalok ng isang negosyo. Example sa Jollibee, ang Chicken Joy ay product pero pati service gaya ng Grab Delivery, Food Panda, or iba pa, product rin yun para sa kanila. Second, price. Ito po yung halaga kung magkano yung binabayaran ng customer para sa product na binibili nila. Example, mas mura ang soft drink sa sari-sari store compare sa tindahan sa loob ng airport. Ganun po. Third, place. Ito naman yung kung saan at paano nakakarating ang product sa mga tao. Example, pwedeng ibenta ang tinapay sa sariling bakery o kaya naman sa convenience store. Pero, pati sa online shop gaya ng Shopee, Lazada, kasama yan. Pang-apat naman po is promotion. Ito po yung paraan para ipakilala ang product sa tao. Example po, kapag may brand na gumagamit ng TikTok, Facebook, IG, or iba pa pong apps na pwede pa pong ipakita ang bagong product, promotion po ang tawag doon. Ang market research ay yung pagkuha ng information tungkol sa customer, sa kalaban, at sa merchandise. Para hindi hula-hula lang yung pagdidesisyon at sa pagpapatayo ng negosyo, di ba? Example, ito yung pinaka-risky, yung pagsubok ng isang product. Pwede magpa-survey ka muna kung gusto ng tao ang bagong flavor ng milk tea bago mo ilabas. Price. Pwedeng alamin mo muna kung magkano yung kayang bayaran ng isang tao sa membership para sa gym, 'di ba? Kasi ngayon mahal na yung membership sa gym Lugar or place naman. Malalaman kung mas gusto ng estudyante bumili ng snacks sa malapit sa school or sa tabi lang, 'di ba? Kaysa sa online shop para hindi rin hassle sa kanila. Yung naman, 'di ba, promotion 'yon. Masusubukan kung alin sa dalawa ang mas effective bago gumastos ng malaki. Kaya ang natutunan ko na importante ang purpose ng marketing para masiguradong maayos ang product, price, place, at promotion, at napakahalaga rin ng market research para alam natin ang tamang desisyon at mas mapalapit sa ating mga customer. Para alam din natin kung paano mag-manage ng isang negosyo or business balang araw for future, di ba? There are two types of market research. One, consumer research. And number two, is business-to-business research. Consumer research is about people like us. For example, if a milk tea shop as students, what flavor do you want? Or what flavor they like best? That's consumer research. And business-to-business research or B2B is when companies study other companies. For example, a box supplier as food companies what kind of boxes they need. Market research can also be done in two ways, quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative means numbers. For example, how many times do you drink milk tea in a week? Qualitative means reason and feelings. For example, why do you like winter melon flavor more than classic? Pareho lang naman silang milk tea, di ba? Quantitative research, ito ay kung paano malalaman ng mga numbers at data na gumagamit ng surveys, statistics, charts, at graphs para makita ang patterns. Example, kung gusto mong malaman kung ilang percent ng student ang mahilig sa milk tea, quantitative research naman ang gagamitin mo. Qualitative research naman kung ito ay sa pag-iintindi ng mga dahilan, perspective, at damdamin ng isang tao. Hindi ito nakabase sa numbers, kundi sa experience. Example, tatanungin ko ang mga student kung bakit nila gusto ang isang best na flavor ng milk tea, mas malawak ang nakukuhang insight natin dito. Milk tea, diba? As the bunso in the family, I can compare myself to market research. My parents and my siblings watch me closely. They see what I eat, kung ano yung damit na gusto ko. Even nga kung ano yung nilalaro kong games, alam nila eh. So, if they notice I always choose the chocolate ice cream, they will buy more of it. That's like market research at home. They study me and then decide. Companies do the same thing with her customer. Kung ano yung alam nilang mas ikakaganda ng customer o gusto ng customer, ay yung ibebenta nila. Market research is just listening and learning. It starts with the questions, then collecting answers, and then using those answers to decide. Without research, companies are only guessing with it. They can make smarter choices and make customers happy. So for me, market research is like being the bunso. I may be smaller, but the family still makes their decision based on me. Just like businesses, they do their own research to make sure everyone is happy. Steps in research process. Una-una dito, ano ba talaga ang gusto mong malaman? Pangalawa, primary o secondary data at sample ng profile. Third, descripted, exploratory o casual. Pang-apat, paano, kailan, saan, at sino ang gagawa. Pang-lima, i-collect ang data. At huling-huli sa lahat, pang-anim. Sa quantitative kasi, ang nakapaloob dyan is stats, table, charts. Qualitative naman, dito pumapasok yung quotes, pictures, videos, diagrams, yun po. Kung walang research, parang nanguhula lang ang mga negosyo. Kapag may research kasi, mas alam nila kung saan sila kikilos, paano magpa-price, anong product ang uunahin nila. Nakakatulong ito para hindi masayang ang pera at effort ng isang tao para sa pag-i-start pa lang ng business, di ba? Kaya sa Module 1, natutunan ko na ang market research ay hindi lang basta-basta tanong-tanong, kundi isang systematic process para makakuha ng tamang information. Mahalaga ito para sa mga negosyo at kahit sa ating personal na desisyon. Thank you very much for listening to my short presentation about what I learned from Module 1 of Marketing 55. I hope you understand better how important market research is. I believe that with study and practice, we can use this knowledge not only in business, but also in our daily life decision. Once again, I'm Erica Wanico Kalumot, and thank you for listening and watching my presentation.